Liquid soap, shower gels, and other personal care products are not only daily necessities, but also the result of a complex technological process. In order to ensure the consistent quality of such products, it is important to precisely control each stage: dosing, mixing, and emulsification. This is particularly relevant to liquid soap production. The process involves mixing of sodium compounds, propylene glycol, copolymers, acrylates, surfactants, sodium hydroxide, as well as numerous functional additives, including pigments. Deranging the feeding sequence or the mixing mode results in non-uniform structure, aeration, or stratification of the product. In view of the above, GlobeCore has developed a reactor mixing technology implemented by means of USB 5 units. These units are designed for liquid soap and cosmetics production in small volumes, from 150 to 1,100 liters per cycle. The main capabilities of USB 5 units include mixing up to 5 constituents with batched pump feeding. The number of constituents may be increased if necessary. Blending and dry constituents through a special hatch. High emulsification and homogenization rate is facilitated by a high-speed impeller mixer. Sight glass for visual monitoring of the process. Contact parts made of stainless steel, which is important for working with chemicals. Advantages of USB 5 units. Compact size. The equipment is easily integrated into the existing production line or will become the basis for starting a new production workshop. Consistent quality of the product due to uniform mixing. Decreased number of defective items and reduced raw materials consumption due to precise batching. Easy operation and maintenance. In addition to liquid soap, the USB 5 units can also be used for production of shower gels, shampoos, hair care products, hygienic hand gels, including antiseptics, kitchen detergents, etc. What features and properties of such equipment are important to you? Describe them in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for liquid soap production can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.